What's up, guys? My name is Roy Lau, and I've been your ASB president this 2025 to 26 school year.
Hey guys, my name is Jolie, and I've been your ASB vice president. We're your tour guides today, and we're going to show you around campus.
There have been a few updates to campus since our last tour video, so we wanted to make an updated version for you guys.
Whether you're an incoming freshman looking to see what our campus is like, or someone who just misses Gunn, we hope you enjoy this tour.
Our first stop is the football field, home to the Gunn Titans football team. In addition to the football team, you'll also find our track and field, soccer, and lacrosse teams practicing here. For those of you who don't play sports, you'll probably get to know this field through PE, homecoming games, and eventually graduation. In the case of a fire drill or an evacuation, students must report to the football field and line up on the track.
Located next to the football field is Titan Gym. Constructed in 2013, this is the newest gym on campus. A few of the big events that happen in this gym include the fall, winter, and spring sports rallies and the homecoming night rally. Some of the sports that take place in Titan Gym are basketball, cheer, and volleyball. Titan Gym also has a weight room, which is used by our sports teams and PA classes. Surrounding Titan Gym, you'll find various sports facilities, including a baseball field, softball field, tennis courts, and outdoor basketball courts. These are used by the respective sports teams and often for PE as well.
The other gym on campus is Bow Gym. This gym holds the two PE locker rooms, which are located on the left and right-hand sides. Bow Gym is used for many of our dances, the ping pong tournament, and sports such as badminton. Located in between Titan Gym, Bow Gym, and the football field is a swimming pool. The pool is used by our dive, swim, and water polo teams.
Moving to the central part of the campus, we have the grass amphitheater, more commonly referred to as the freshman quad. Right in front of the freshman quad is the studio theater, formerly known as the Little Theater. This is the smaller theater on campus and is used for theater classes and performances.
Next, we have the N building. This building consists of two floors. The first floor houses our English classes, and the second floor houses our math classes. You can also find the English and math department offices in rooms N100 and N200 on their respective floors. In front of the N building, we have the M building. Most of our art electives, such as art spectrum, ceramics, and drawing and painting, are located here.
Moving on, we have the L building, which is home to several career and technical education classes such as auto, video, and audio production. The L building also has a couple of our science classes, notably biology. It is also home to GRT, our school's robotics team.
Opposite of the L building, we have the Spangenberg Theater, the larger theater on campus. Many of our assemblies, performing arts concerts, and performances take place here. Adjacent to the Spangenberg Theater, we also have connecting classrooms for band, choir, and orchestra. To the left of the L building is the K building, which have a combination of social studies and science classrooms, as well as office for special education and social studies.
Next, we have the Student Activity Center, also known as the SAC. Here, you can buy dance tickets, bus passes, balloons for a friend's birthday, hot cocoa, Gunn merch, yearbooks, and so much more. This center opens at the beginning of lunch and closes half an hour after school, so you'll have plenty of time to drop by and ask questions. For those student leaders out there, you can come to the Student Activity Office for information on how to get involved in student government and how to join the Student Executive Council, or SEC. This is also the place where you can find club information, such as how to start a club and the schedule of when all the clubs meet. So, if you have any questions about school-wide activities and events, this is your place.
On the second floor of this building, we have the counseling office, where you can meet your counselor for conferences or get a copy of your transcript. You can also visit the College and Career Center here, where Mr. Lang can answer questions regarding your post-high school plans.
Also located on the second floor is the Wellness Center. This is a welcoming space for all students to learn and discuss various topics. The Wellness Center offers many free services for your physical health, individual or group counseling, and peer-led programs. Additionally, in the Wellness Center, there is counseling and support service for youth. Here, you can meet mental health therapists who are available for free individual and group counseling to discuss things such as homework stress, family issues, and even social drama. Please see your school counselor for a referral. Counselors are also available for drop-in crisis support.
Right across this building, we have the Senior Quad. This is an open space where SEC hosts lunch and after-school events throughout the year. The fall and spring club fairs and homecoming activities are also held here.
Next, we have the G and H buildings, which is where all the world language classes are located. You can also find the World Language Lab in room G5. Right next to the World Language building is the J building. This building houses most of our sciences, such as biology, physics, chemistry, and more.
Moving on to the other edge of campus, there is the library for you to check out tons of books. Mr. Gill is our librarian and he will be available for any questions you have. You can also reserve a study room and reserve tech spaces in the library. On most days, it is open before, during, and after school. Keep in mind that there is no eating or drinking in the library, but there is a space right outside called the Acorn Lounge where you can enjoy your lunch.
Attached to the library building is the Academic Center, a quiet place where you can study with friends, borrow textbooks, and also sign up to be a peer tutor or arrange for peer tutoring. Next to the Academic Center is the Testing Resource Center, also known as the TRC. Teachers use the space for makeup tests and quizzes.
At the front of the school is their newly renovated main office. Our principal, assistant principals, and other administrative staff are located here. The nurse's office, lost and found storage, lunch drop-off, and staff mailboxes are also located in or right outside of the main office. Attached to the main office is the attendance office, where you can adjust attendance errors and find forms for teacher corrections or warranted absence forms for long-term absences that need approval.
Our last stop is the Titan Hub, a brand new cafeteria which is open during brunch and lunch for meals and snacks. For hot lunch, head to the Titan Grub. Just bring your student ID card, use an online barcode generator, or enter your student ID code on a keypad in the separate lunch line. The Titan Hub also features a new flex room and bathrooms as part of the renovation.
And that wraps up our tour. We hope you got a good sense of what our campus is like, and welcome to Gunn High School.
We're so excited to meet all of you. And if you ever have any questions, please feel free to contact your Titan ambassador, any upperclassmen, or any staff. I'm sure they'd be happy to help you.